Welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where design meets emotion and every detail tells a story. Today, we're exploring a bold industrial kitchen inspired by Thomas O'Brien, blending modern dark tones, raw textures, and sleek detailing that transforms cooking spaces into artful expressions of warmth and character. Imagine stepping into a kitchen where industrial grit meets sophisticated elegance. Black steel-framed glass cabinets reveal curated dishware, while absolute black granite creates a bold foundation. Factory pendant lights cast a warm glow across brass accents that gleam against charcoal walls, proving that industrial design can feel surprisingly inviting and luxurious. This moody sanctuary embraces raw beauty through exposed brick and blackened steel shelving. The walnut butcher block island brings unexpected warmth to the graphite cabinetry, while unlacquered brass develops a beautiful patina over time. It's where professional-grade cooking meets comfortable living, bathed in gorgeous natural light. Navy black cabinetry with shaker detailing offers a refined take on industrial style. The marriage of Carrara marble and dark oak herringbone flooring creates visual poetry, while that statement range hood commands attention like a piece of functional sculpture. Antique bronze hardware adds vintage soul to this thoroughly modern space. Gunmetal cabinetry wrapped in leather handles transforms everyday kitchen storage into tactile luxury. The leathered black granite whispers sophistication, while that stunning La Cornue range in matte black with brass trim becomes the kitchen's crown jewel. Glossy black subway tiles catch light beautifully, creating unexpected moments of reflection and depth. Deep espresso cabinetry paired with honed soapstone creates an organic industrial aesthetic that feels grounded and authentic. That ceiling-mounted pot rack isn't just storage, it's kitchen jewelry suspended in space. The hammered copper range hood adds artisanal warmth, proving that industrial kitchens can embrace handcrafted beauty alongside sleek modern lines. Vertical fluting on matte black cabinets adds dimensional interest that plays beautifully with natural light throughout the day. Golden veining in charcoal quartzite countertops introduces subtle luxury, while brass inlay strips in polished concrete flooring create understated glamour. The sculptural steel hood becomes architectural art, anchoring this sophisticated loft kitchen. Charcoal lacquer meets rustic walnut in this unexpected pairing that absolutely works. The live edge island with steel supports celebrates natural imperfection, while handmade teal zellage tiles inject personality into the industrial palette. That vintage pulley lighting system adds playful functionality, creating a kitchen that's serious about cooking but doesn't take itself too seriously. Two-tone cabinetry creates visual balance. Black below, bronzed steel-framed glass above. The terrazzo flooring sparkles with brass aggregate, catching sunlight like scattered jewelry. That brick arch framing the range honors traditional craftsmanship, while leather cabinet pulls and antique brass fixtures add layers of touchable luxury that make this kitchen unforgettable. Forest green cabinetry brings unexpected depth to industrial design, proving that dark doesn't always mean black. The chevron oak flooring adds geometric sophistication underfoot, while dramatic marble backsplash veining creates natural artwork. Steel-framed windows with transom details frame the outdoors like living paintings, connecting this sophisticated space to nature. Architectural concrete cabinetry pushes industrial boundaries into modern sculpture territory. The polished concrete flooring with saw-cut grid patterns creates industrial minimalism at its finest. Steel mesh cabinet inserts provide ventilated storage that's both practical and visually intriguing, while that riveted range hood celebrates honest construction methods that defined the industrial era. Midnight blue cabinetry with brass latches brings unexpected romance to industrial design. White Carrara marble lightens the mood beautifully, while reclaimed heart pine flooring adds historical soul. The vaulted ceiling with exposed black trusses creates cathedral-like drama, making everyday cooking feel like a special occasion in this thoughtfully layered space. Minimalist aluminum channel handles create seamless lines across charcoal cabinetry, embodying contemporary industrial restraint. The full-height granite backsplash makes a bold monochromatic statement, while rift-sawn ebony oak flooring grounds the space with refined texture. That cantilevered steel shelf system floats effortlessly, proving that industrial design can achieve visual lightness. Riveted black steel cabinetry celebrates honest industrial construction methods with pride. Belgian bluestone flooring brings European sophistication to factory aesthetics, while that exposed brick cooking alcove painted deep charcoal creates a moody focal point. Brass banding on the steel hood adds just enough warmth to keep this edgy kitchen feeling approachable and lived in. Floating upper cabinets with integrated lead strips bring contemporary magic to industrial bones. Golden veining in black quartzite adds subtle luxury that catches light throughout the day, while exposed conduit celebrates functional beauty. That articulating brass faucet becomes kinetic sculpture, proving that industrial kitchens can embrace both raw authenticity and refined modern detailing beautifully. Every detail in this kitchen proves that bold design can still feel deeply personal. If you enjoyed this soulful take on modern industrial style, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Soulful Kitchen, and share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing what inspires your next home design dream.